So we will quickly log into the TeamNest portal. You'll be able to see the employee section. Now within the employee section, we have the help desk module. Now, Helpdesk Module, you can say it's a ticket based platform, it's a mini HR platform. So, any employee of your organization facing any issue pertaining to your organization, they can simply raise a ticket in the Helpdesk module over here. They can click on the raise a ticket button, they can mention the title, they can mention the description, and they can categorize it to the concerned department. Again, the categories over here can be customized as per your company's requirement. So, whatever departments are there in your company, those will be listed over here. The employee can select the relevant department over here, like to which particular department they want to raise this query. So, for example, if I'm an employee in your company and I want to raise a help desk query pertaining to the laptop allocation, so I can mention the title as laptop required. I can mention the description why I require. As a new joinee, I require a laptop. So I can mention that. I can categorize it to the concerned department. So it will be probably the hardware department to whom I'll be targeting this ticket to. I can even prioritize it as low, medium, or high. I can even upload any supporting documents if I have for the same query, pertaining to the same query, and I can submit. So, whenever I submit this help desk ticket, it will go to the concerned categorized department person. So, again, as per your company's hierarchy, you can define one or two or more than two people for the categorized department head. For example, if the hardware department head in your company is headed by Ajay and Vijay, so this particular help desk ticket, it will go to Ajay and Vijay and they will revert with the answer. So this is how the help desk module functions. Over here, the employees can view the help desk summary. They can view the various ticket lists that they have raised. They can even view the all tickets in progress, pending tickets, cancelled, resolved tickets. So the status of the tickets, they can check it over here. The response also, they can view it from here. So within this response, they can view for that particular ticket. On the same response further, if they want to write a comment, they can do that. So they can mention a comment, they can even upload any attachment required, and they can submit. So further interaction on the same help desk ticket is also possible. So they can even view the tickets that they have raised up till now and the status as well. So this is about the help desk module.